Hello everyone, I Dhanesh Dave welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Delhi Films, and in this video I am going to teach you how to make paratha at home. Many people find it difficult to make paratha at home, but after watching this video you will be master in making paratha at home. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel so that you can receive my all latest videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So let's begin. To make a paratha dough, first you need to take the wheat flour into a high heaped platters. To make a paratha dough, take water in one hand and by using other hand just mix the water into the flour. Do not mix too much water into the flour, just mix slowly and gradually in proportion to your wheat flour. And by using one hand just mix the flour with the water, and in proportionate just use additional water to mix properly, and just by using our hand just mix it continuously and start crushing the flour into high heaped platter. Slow. To make a dough will not take more than 5 minutes, and you need to be more vigilant while you are mixing water. If you will mix too much water, then your dough will get damaged and you will not get the perfect dough. So mix little water after some time, and like how you are watching in this video, in the same manner you need to mix the water with the flour and just crush it by using your hand. So sprinkle the water on it once you get this shape, and very soon your dough will be ready. So just by using technique which you are seeing in this video right now, just use this technique to mix or to crush your flour with the water. Very soon your dough will get ready. This process is not taking more than 3 to 4 minutes. Our dough is about to ready. It will not take more than 1 to 2 minutes from now to get ready. So like you are watching, our dough is about to ready. So you are seeing the dough has come into now proper shape, and all the flour get stick to each other. So this is a very simple process. Just by using water and flour you can make the dough very easily. So you have seen which technique we need to use to mix dough with the water. So like our dough is about to ready, and finally the dough is ready. So final result you will get this. So once you get this, it means your dough is ready. Now finally, to make your parathas you need to keep ready this utensil. So this utensil is rolling board, rolling pin. You also need to have some dry flour into a small bowl. You also need to keep ready some little oil in a small bowl with a spoon, and this is your dough. And also you need to keep pan on the gas stove with a high flame. Now we are about to start making our parathas. So first you need to take a small piece from the dough, and by using both your hand make a dough like a round shape. Now mix the dough with a dry flour, then put it on the rolling board, and by using a rolling pin start making your paratha. Once you make it a round shape, a small round shape, apply some oil in it, then fold it, and then again apply some oil in it, then just fold it again and give it a triangular shape. So once you're done with this, again just apply some dry flour on it. By using a rolling pin again start rolling it and give it a triangular shape. In the initial stage you may end up by giving a bad shape, but do not worry, practice will make you perfect. So once your shape is ready, so this is called a paratha shape. So once your shape is ready, what you need to do next? So once your shape is ready, paratha shape is ready, then take your paratha into your hand and put it on the pan which is already on the gas stove on a high flame. Then meanwhile the paratha get cooked, you may roll your next paratha by using a rolling pin and rolling board. So you need to repeat this process in the same manner which we have made our first paratha. So just it is very simple process, and very quickly you can make parathas as much as you want. Just turn the paratha from one side when it cooked little bit, So just turn it once you notice the paratha is getting cooked. Do not keep your paratha for long time on the hot pan, because if you will keep it for the long time, the paratha will get burned. Then apply some oil on your paratha by using a spoon. Then turn it and apply on the other side. So you will see your parathas, when you apply oil on it, your paratha will get blow like a balloon. Then by using a pincer, just turn it. Do not touch the paratha by using your hand, because it is hot. Apply oil properly. If you will apply less oil, your paratha will not get complete cooked. Now by using pincer, just turn it and apply oil. Make sure the paratha get cooked from all the edges and from middle and from all sides. So you can see your paratha is getting cooked completely now. Now it has cooked completely, so take it and keep it in a hot container. Now just repeat the process. Our next paratha we have already rolled. Just put it on the pan and just repeat the process. As much as paratha you want, you just repeat this process and you will get your parathas ready. So now in very less time, we have cooked so many parathas. Let me show you. All the parathas which get cooked, you need to keep it into a container like this, and you can see so many parathas are cooked nicely. And this last paratha is getting rolled on the rolling board. So in the same time, one side you need to roll your paratha on the rolling board, and on the other side you need to cook your paratha on the hot pan by applying oil continuously. So this is a practice which you will do on regular basis, so you will get master in your kitchen. And it is very easy process. It's not tough or tricky. You can do it at your home. I hope in this video you learned how to make parathas at home.